Took 1 cup of idli rice and we need to soak it whole night, and then I took 1 cup of leftover rice, which will be a fermented rice in the morning time. A whole night it will be fermented with certain useful bacteria, and it keeps the idli very soft and puffy, and that is very important for our gut health. As soon as the batter enters the gut, because of that fermented rice, the gut healthy bacteria will split the fiber into butyric acid, which is very helpful for keeping the gut very healthy and preventing many cancers like colon cancer, stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, etc. like that. So this fermented rice is very essential. Whole night I soaked rice idli, and also 1 cup of fermented rice I have taken, and added 1 cup of potatoes, not boiled one, raw potatoes we can add, and grind into a thin uh, soft paste. At the same time, I added half spoon of salt. You can take 3 by 4th spoon of salt basing on your interest. At the same time, I added 1 by 4th spoon of baking soda, 1 by 4th spoon of baking powder, both of them. But spoon will be very, very small. Please understand this point. Not more soda, not more baking powder. When we add both of them, for idli, baking soda is enough. Small idli. This is thatta idli. It is prepared in a different way. And for dosa or uttappam, if you add baking powder, you will get a holes on the dosa. As soon as you keep the batter on the pan, immediately spores will be formed with the baking powder. That is the importance. Here I have taken 2 carriage boxes and also 1 liter electric rice cooker. In that I have added water and kept carriage boxes one above the another. By adding this batter, don't add the batter up to the full mark of the carriage box. We need to add up to half the level. Remaining half the level, it will be happily, comfortably swelling. And these 2 carriage boxes, if you don't have, you can take a cake pan like that, or small sized box. I'm telling you the example, and keep in the steam. How softly it has come, see. But only small tip is, after getting cooled only this shape you will get, because rice idli will be very soft, no, in texture. There is no urad dal, but binding agent is here potato, and binding agent is the strong pattern of rice idli. So to get the soft texture, we added night leftover cooked rice. It is very, very tasty with the coconut chutney, raw coconut chutney. For this I have taken 1 cup of raw coconut pieces and 5 to 6 green chilies small, and little tamarind and salt. These chilies you need to check and take. If you feel they are very spicy, go for 3 to 4 enough. Keep a note on that. Otherwise it will be very spicy. You will feel discomfort with the kids. While don't make it spicy, please check it. One small quantity of tamarind you need to take, and 1 by 4th spoon of cumin seeds, 1 by 4th spoon of coriander seeds. All need to be sorted well, and adding half spoon of salt. You need to grind it into paste. No need of tampering. This is a great